Alam nyo mga Lodi, no, yung katangahang argumentong ito, marami tong napaniwala na kaya GOAT si Jordan dahil may 6 ring siya or 6 na kampyonato. Pakinggan nga natin si Carmelo Anthony kung totoo nga talagang GOAT si Jordan sa argumentong yon na 6 na kampyonato.
What is the criteria to being the GOAT?
What?
Is it 6 rings? If that's the case, then if we talking ring culture, Michael Jordan is not the GOAT.
True. Bill Russell is.
Bill Russell is the GOAT. If we talking ring culture,
Right. But
people gonna say Michael Jordan is the GOAT. So what is the criteria of the GOAT?
Like
Geeks in the analytics is boom is gonna say Bill Russell is the GOAT. If you talk to people that was before MJ and like, they're gonna say, yo, Bill Russell, MJ is not the GOAT. When you talk to your uncles and people that was around, they're gonna say Michael Jordan, what? No, Bill Russell.
Boom, wasak. Butas na butas at hindi talaga uusad ang ganong argumento. Kung ring ang pag-uusapan, si Bill Russell ang GOAT dahil 11 ring yun. Hindi si Jordan. Tama dito si Carmelo Anthony at dahil sa sinabi na yan ni Carmelo Anthony, ang sigurado dyan, maraming magagalit kay Melo dahil sinabi niya ang totoo. Kayo mga Lodi, galit na ba kayo kay Melo dahil sinabi niya ang totoo? O agree kayo sa katotohanan ng sinasabing ito ni Carmelo Anthony na hindi GOAT si Michael Jordan, lalo na kung ring lang po ang pag-uusapan or championship?